Here is Deepa, a proper Cochinite. Deepa struggles to book the best available cab almost every day. She switches from one app to the other, waits endlessly, and when she is about to get one, the prices surge. To be honest, she has started to hate booking cabs. Now, here is Joby, who is a taxi driver. Joby has enrolled himself on a popular taxi aggregator app, but he faces problems of his own. Joby has spent his entire earning in buying this taxi, and now he is controlled by a handful of service providers. He needs to pay hefty commissions out of the very nominal amount he gets after every trip. He can't even negotiate on his justified fare. The service providers decide that. Besides, he does not know about other taxi apps. How will Deepa find him if he is not on those apps? In a way, both Joby and Deepa are two sides of the same coin. This entire mobility ecosystem is under the control of a few service providers. Nobody likes to be controlled, neither Deepa nor Joby. Shouldn't this be as simple as how a supermarket works? Consumers find what they want, buy from where they wish to. The businesses are not controlled and can be discovered by anyone who walks in. Could the world of mobility work in a similar way? Imagine an open mobility network. Passengers have access to multiple service providers across the city and can book the one that's easy for them. And for the driver, they are in an open field where any passenger can easily spot them. No third party is charging a commission for the trips they make, an opportunity that they have always dreamt of. As for the existing service providers, if they have an app and access to this open network, they simply have to get in there and they are already enabled. Less marketing costs, more visibility. Kochi Open Mobility Network, an initiative of the Kochi Metropolitan Transport Authority, is enabled just to create this wonderful possibility. KOMN is an initiative to support the local community in Kochi. This is where Kochi passengers, Kochi drivers and the existing applications come together and help each other. A place where Cochinites pay Cochinites with no outside intervention. It is the world's first open and inclusive mobility network. KMTA regulations ensure privacy, security and safety and guarantee no poaching of data. So how does this work? Deepa can install the Yatri app, the first app on KOMN for customers to access a wide choice of taxi services in the city. Joby can use the Yatri Partner app to get himself enrolled through an aggregator or an agency of his choice. Now Deepa doesn't have to struggle to book a cab. Joby is busy taking trips at his will. A fair world indeed. Yatri, now with multiple choice of taxi providers, will soon provide multiple modes of transportation in Kochi, including auto rickshaws and buses. But Yatri will soon become just another app in the network. KOMN will allow you to book ferries to metro to buses to even rent bicycles. That doesn't end there. KOMN will help you to find parking spots, find EV charging stations, and would even expand to hospitality and healthcare. This is just the beginning, and we will play a role in this expansion. Let's welcome this open, fair world.